All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So I'm back now. We just literally did a video tour on that property right here from KB Homes up here in Summerlin. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go undercover today. We're gonna take a look at the bones of the home, because that's the most important thing. It's not the cosmetics. So let's see what you get for your money. So now the one right here, this spec was for $501,000. I'll have a link in the description below on that property. Now let's go inside. Let's see what we got here. This is a KB product. Now keep in mind, depending on the location and the price point for KBs and any other builder, they do use certain materials, right, depending on the price point. So we know that the slab here is a post-tension slab. Now let's see what we got. So we got 2x4s. You got the subfloors here. Here's your panel. So your panel is facing on the outside. You have your grounded wire. Right here is going to be for your irrigation system. And you can see all the main power lines are running to the main house here. Okay. Here's your main water line. Couple things. You'll notice the wood that's underneath. These are pressure treated wood, so that way it doesn't dry rot out. Okay. On this one, as you can see, the main line is coming through the foundation, coming through here, your main line, right? Now they didn't put a regulated valve here where they're going to regulate the pressure of your water. I'm sorry. Here is for your sprinkler system, and as you can see, takes it up all the way around, back down this way, right? Boom. Takes it outside to the irrigation system. And take a look at this. This is for your water faucet. Okay. Here is your main gas, but it is also grounded too as well. Okay. These right here is called shims, and what they do is when they build your home is never leveled. If they didn't use this shim, right, they put the drywall, your drywall is going to be wobbly. So you're going to see a lot of that stuff all the way around. What you have here is a paper felt. Right behind this paper felt, you have chicken wire and also styrofoam, right? And here's the mesh. So this is what it looks like. You have this right here. And what they're going to do is spray stucco right on top here. And it would be concrete stucco. Right here is going to be your tankless water heater. Here's the exhaust to push it out. Again, you do have all your gas lines that come here because this is going to be for gas. Okay. Now, one thing I forgot to show you is I've noticed here they have the Elite Radiant Barrier, and that reflects and holds the heat. Okay. The blue lines that you're going to see here is basically all your connections for your your Cat 6 or your Cat 5. I'm not too sure if it's Cat 5 or Cat 6 until we look at the wires. But now let's go inside. Come up on the curb here. So the windows are alpine. And again, on the exterior on this build is all 2x4s. There's nothing wrong with 2x4s as long as code says we're good. So as you can see, drywall is 5/8 on the drywall. Again, we have the shim here as well. Looks like they shimmed it a couple. How they do it is really take a long, right? I can't even think of that name. They balance it. They make sure it's a leveler. Okay. Again, we got the subfloors here. You got the ductwork. So these are all supply lines for the air conditioning unit. So this is a 6-inch can, right? And it spits air out here. So if you follow this, this will take it to the main box, and the main supply should be coming out this way. Okay, it is a little bit dark, so it's hard to see what's going on here. Now this black tube here, that tells me there's a bathroom right above, and this is a 4-inch, I believe, or 3-inch, right? The black tubes that you see, that's gonna be for the sewage. So it looks like there's a bedroom down here. So pretty much this is almost like the same spec as the video that I just did. So this one's about 2,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms and a loft. Here is your 3/4. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, and I do apologize. Here is your main drain line here, okay? Now it's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna go upstairs where we can get some more light. Now, what you see right here, this line is for your condenser, for your AC unit. Right here is your 220. Your oven's gonna be sitting right here, okay? Your gas line is gonna come here for your stove, and here is your exhaust for your hood. Some builders may charge you for that, so keep that in mind, okay? Here's your Plex here. This is for your water line. Let's see what else I can show you. So right here, again, you do have your main water line, your supply line for your refrigerator. So we know a refrigerator is going here. Now let's go upstairs. Actually, this spec right here is the 21 model, I believe. Coming up into the living room. Again, drywall is the 5/8 on here, so we got a little bit more light on this one. Let me see what I can show you. So, again, you have the radiant barrier. That's something I would take a look at. Here on the AC unit, we have the return line. So typically this is about an 18-inch return line. So all the hot air will get sucked through here, right? This is how it works. Goes through here. Now it goes to your furnace, where all your coils are, right? Sucks it. Hold on, guys. It's gonna suck it and blow all the cold air now through here, right? And push all the cold air into all the rooms. So that's how it works. Now this line right here, this is the main return line too. So this is where it sucks all the hot air, okay? Now this is the bathroom here. Tub, shower, combo. Couple things by looking at this, tells me that there's only one sink. This is the main sewage line, right? The reason why it goes all the way up to the roof is because it has to exhaust out. The reason why it has to exhaust out, because if not, you're gonna get that egg smell. So again, you do have your hot and your cold here. This right here is where your toilet is going to be. Here's your supply line again, okay? Tub, shower, combo. This is where the faucet's gonna go for your shower. And here's the head for the shower. So it looks like they are using the engineer board here. This, something I would take a look at is if they're going to use the hardy back, they can definitely get away with this, because just due to the fact that as long as it is too cold, and typically you won't use the regular, oh crap, drywall, okay? The drywall, you're going to be using a green type of drywall where it's regulated for moisture. Let's see what else we have here. So, coming into this room, as you can see, we have power here, connected from here, connected from here, connected from here. Now, on this spec, it looks like there is no cable or Cat 6 in this room. Okay. This one is pre-wired for a ceiling fan. Now, you can just tell it's pre-wired for the ceiling fan just due to the fact that they're running the 2x4 here, so that way it could hold up to 80 pounds. Now check the ratings on that too as well. They did the same thing here. Now, bedrooms on this one, there is no cable. There's no cable in this one. What about the loft? Let's see what the cable looks like. Okay, nothing here. Definitely has to be in the master. Alright, so they probably have not ran the cable yet, and the reason why I'm saying that is because you do have the 110 here and you have the 110 up here, so that tells me that they're probably going to be putting their TV right here on this spec, and they're probably not even done yet, so that's the reason why I don't think they even have that Cat 6 ran yet. But typically you have two types of electricians. You have the low voltage and the high voltage. All the high voltage is in, but we're just waiting for the low voltage. That's what it looks like. Okay, this right here, this is a gas line. This will take you up to the furnace for your air conditioning, right, for the heat. So thermostat is right here. This is your thermostat wire. Okay, typically there's about 8 wires, but you need about 4 wires for the gas thermostat. I mean, for the gas air conditioning unit. I would rather do gas versus the heat pump. All right, I mean, that's just a little here and there, so hopefully you guys got something out of this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want more content like this, and if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat. Until next time. Oh, happy Sunday. Peace.